In the previous video, we saw how to trace over an image in the Infinite Painter app, and we made a sketch by using that image and created a small flat illustration out of it. So today we will create an amazing artwork using the same sketch, and I recommend to watch that video first if you haven't yet. Now let's start from where we left. So this is what we created in the previous video. First I'll draw the rest of the shapes using the colors we have saved. Here I am using the solid pen brush. Now we have done with the flat shapes, and now we will move to my favorite part. Let's make the bold black outlines of our character here. These are not the normal outlines. I like to make them disconnected with each other to give it a different look, which I really like. Let me show you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on this style of outlines. I'll also add some flat shadows with a darker color. Now I'll merge all the layers of our character. This way we will keep the total layer counts to minimum. Otherwise the app tends to crash like crazy. Now I'll use my texture brush to give a realistic look to the chair. I'll use the denim texture brush for it. I am adding these texture using the clipping mask over the chair's layer. And I'll merge them also into a single layer. Let's also give this cup a realistic look using the soft air brush. I'll use the solid pen brush to make a highlight on the cup. And again merge the cup layers into a single one. let's make the background. First make the random shapes with different colors. Then I'll add a blur filter to it. Let's also add a noise filter to it because why not? I think it looks great. That's it, our illustration is complete, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Leave a like and do subscribe if you are new to my channel. And I recently posted a short tutorial on which I showed how I created this rock texture brush exclusively for my channel members. And you can also get this brush for free, so click on the join button now.